Hey guys, this is Ash at Audio46. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. Okay, so today I'm going to review Strauss&Wagner's True Wireless Earphones SW-TW401. So I'm a huge fan of True Wireless earphones and I'm super excited to test it out. Alright, let's start. Strauss&Wagner's True Wireless Earphones SW-TW401 comes with the earbuds, case, and USB cable. All the functions are operated from the touchpad on the earbuds. Okay guys, so let's talk about the design first. So I always like Strauss&Wagner's design because of their simplicity, and this one definitely doesn't have any unnecessary or abundant parts to it, so I really like it. Another thing is that, as you guys can see, it fits in my hand. It's very small and portable, so I feel like you can just fit this anywhere, maybe in your pocket, and bring it with you to pretty much any places you go. And it's also extremely light. And both the buds and the case feel super sturdy, so it won't break that easily. Okay, in terms of the fit, I found this really comfortable, especially with the largest tip. And I don't know if it's the combination of the shape or the weight, but it really fits right into your ear canal, and it's almost like the sound is injected directly into your ears. So also these are very sound isolating. So in general, I feel like the fit and design is pretty much simple and straightforward, and I really like it. So guys, I was actually pleasantly surprised with the low end on these because in general, the low end was very deep, powerful, and rich. And it's not necessarily thick, but like I said, it has such powerful body to it, so when you listen to bass heavy tracks, you'll just feel like you're standing next to speakers at a club. I mean, you probably should not do that IRL because healthy eardrums are a thing, you know. But I don't have a great hearing, so I just learned how to just nod and keep smiling when I don't understand something. But then it gets really awkward when they're actually asking you a question and you just keep smiling and agreeing. But anyway, as you guys already know, I'm all about that deep bass beats with hip hop on low end, but although it sounded great with hip-hop, the best genre was rock and roll and blues, or any tracks that has combination of the sound of bass guitar and percussion, because it sounded so full and juicy. So tracks like Hella Good from No Doubt or Thriller from Michael Jackson the low end sounded so voluptuous and, like I said, full. I mean, it was legit like Reese's cups, because peanut butter and chocolate stand alone, they're already great, but them together is like addiction. Just like the low end, the mid-range on these were relatively driven and powerful, and there is a very good balance between vocals and instruments, so neither one overpowered another. And in general, it's very controlled and definitely not loose, and there's, again, a very good separation, so you will get this clean, clear feeling from the mid-range. So for that reason, it sounded great with pretty much all the genres like EDM, pop, rock, blues, bluegrass, acoustic tracks, but it sounded the best with punk music because the vocals and instruments didn't mush together, but it just had a great balance and separation. So while I was testing out the sound for punk music, I found out Weezer, Green Day, and Fall Out Boy are having a joint concert next year in the summer. This is almost like a torture because if I didn't know about it, I would be fine, but now I need to count down another full year. But it's like my childhood fantasy coming together, so I shouldn't complain, right? But anyway, like I said, the punk music sounded the best, and I think the best part about the mid-range was the clarity of the sound. Okay, so highs on TW401 was generally crisp, clean, and controlled. And especially the vocals, there is a sense of breathing room combined with good control, so you won't feel like the sound is lagging or falling behind. And another thing that I noticed is the sounds of, let's say, flute or trumpet and strings, even at the highest register, they sounded really smooth and nice because there is a good balance between the strength of the highs and the smoothness, so it didn't sound harsh or sharp at any times. And I feel like it sounded the best with EDM, pop, and classical, and the tracks with female vocals. So considering the price, this one really has spacious soundstage, and the placement of instruments and vocals were so precise and accurate, so as a result, you'll sense this reliable, deep dimensions of the soundstage. My final thoughts. Okay, considering that this is at a very affordable price range, I feel like this is just well-crafted product with well-balanced sound profile and functionality and portability. I love the fact that it's so small and comfortable at the same time. And in terms of sound, I was pretty much satisfied with all frequencies. I was pleasantly surprised. So as a result, I definitely recommend it to you guys. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my review and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.